Aha buju miwa ginugijik minawa. 7 grandfather teachings, the 7 teachings. Here we go. Respect, manaji itiwin. Humility, dabadin dizowin. Bravery, zungide win. Truth, win. Honesty, guayakwa diziwin. Wisdom, nibwaka win. Love, zagi idiwin. Respect, manaji idiwin. Win, diwin. Idiwin. Idiwin. When you see this glottal mark right here, that means you got to stop your airflow. 100% stop and then continue back again. Idiwin. Na idiwin. Manaji idiwin. Humility. Dabatain dizowin. Win. Zowin. Dizowin. Win makes it a noun. Dizo. It means you're doing it to yourself. Ain. Ain means in your mind. Dain dizowin. You're doing this in your own mind. Daba. Dabad. You're keeping a nice and level. Not too high, not too low. You're checking out, keeping it in check. You're keeping yourself in check. Dibadain dizowin. Bravery. Zungide win. Win. Noun. You're doing it. De, your heart. De win. Zungi, strong, confident, solid heart. Zungide win, bravery. Truth, win, the noun, makes the verb a noun. Boy, sound is coming out what you're speaking. Dabe is the truth. It's complete. You've made it all the way complete. You're not leaving anything out. It's from one end to the other. Debwewin. You're speaking the whole truth. You're not hiding anything. Debwewin. Also, day is your heart too. But Dave is the extent of it. Honesty. Guayakwa diziwin. Win. Turning the verb into a noun. Dizi, that means you can observe it. Izi means it's an observable. You're behaving that way. Adiz is your life, your observable life. Guayuk, straight away, mate. Honest, straight and narrow, honest. Guayakwa dizi win. You're honest. You lead the straight and narrow. You're not deviating and hiding stuff. You're honest. Guayakwa dizi win. Difference between truth and honesty. Truths are the facts, Jack. Honesty is your integrity. You're speaking the truth, not trying to maneuver around. Guayakwa dizi win. Wisdom. Nibwa ka win. Nib win. Ka win. Nibwa ka win. That is the wisdom. I don't know the breakdown of this word. Nibwa ka win. Love. Zagi itdiwin. Zagi itdiwin. Win. Then turning the verb into a noun. Iddi. Mutually doing it back and forth with each other. To each other. Zagi. Love. Kind of refers to a stingy kind of love. Mine, you can't have it. Zagi itdiwin. There's another kind of love, Joanum. And that's more like I'd be willing to die for you kind of love. This one is use it how you want. Zagi itdiwin. We use this for love. Zagi itdiwin. Again, Respect, manachi it di win. Humility, de baden de zo win. Bravery, zungit de a win. Truth, de bue win. Honesty, guaya quad dizi win. Wisdom, ne boa ka win. Love, zage it di win. Miseo miguch, Wejibwemojig.